Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to search for flights on the Mytrip application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the home button down below in the left side corner of the screen, and then click on the search flight bar in the middle of the screen. And then you should select your departure point. So type it in and then select your destination. After that, you should select your date, so your departure and then your return date. Then click on the save button, add the number of passengers, and the class should be selected. Then tap on search flights down below and you will be able to search for the available flights. So they will appear at this page in a few seconds. As you can see, it's being loaded, but here you will be able to check out if there's any relevant flight at the set date. So here you can find them. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.